Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel MA Solutions. So, dear friends, today I have bring another awesome crypto meme project that is called Boxer Coins. So, in this video, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that why we should invest in Boxer Coin and where we can buy this amazing coin. We can hold it and later we can sort of make a lot of passive income. So, don't skip any part of this video. So, before going to start further review, I would request, if you are a new one on my YouTube channel, MA Solutions, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So welcome to Boxer Coin. Difference, you can also find out all official links in my video description, and this is the differentiated coin to the honor the Boxer brand Dodge. Take advantage of the new wave, and its pre-sale will be live very soon on Pink Sale, where you can also buy and you can hold it and later you can sort of make a lot of passive income. So therefore, this is the main cryptocurrency project with expansions plan that includes listing on major exchange, where you will grab this opportunity later on and you can also do trade as well. So first here we can also learn why invest in Boxer Coin. So therefore, its pre-sale will be live on Pink Sale on 26th Feb 2025, and it will be ended on 3 March 2025. So the soft cap is 40 BNB and the hard cap is 123 BNB. Here we can also check out that where do I buy Boxer Coin. So it will be live on Pink Sale, where you will be able to participate and buy. Here you can also check out Boxer Coin pre-sale is upcoming only one day, 8 hours and 51 minutes are left, and then it will be live here and you will be able to participate and grab this opportunity. So Boxer Coin is a large meme cryptocurrency project with expansions plan that includes the listing on major exchange. Boxer DAO is ready for anything and everyone. So come be part of this fight. Here you can also check out its address and name is Boxer Coin and the symbol is BXC. The decimal number is 9, and you can also check out its total supply, and you can also check out the poll info like their token address and token for pre-sale and token for the liquidity and initial market cap, as well as soft cap and hard cap. So you can also check out its listing rate and start and ending time of its pre-sale, and unsold token will be burned, and after pre-sale ending it will be listed on PancakeSwap as well. So liquidity percentage is 60% and liquidity lockup time is 1825 days after poll end. Here you can also check out the affiliate program detail, and you can also check out the distribution token mix. So difference, you can also check out that most of the part like that 66.16% is unlocked, and only 11.66% for liquidity, and only 22.17% only limited token is available for pre-sale. So don't miss this golden chance and must be grab this opportunity when it will be live. Just wait only one day and then you will be able to participate and buy this amazing coin as well. Here you can also check out its roadmap, and you can also check out its price is 0.0012 and defense next when it will be launched its price will be 0.0013. So it will be live soon and you will be able to participate in its pre-sale, because when it will be launched its price will be increased. Here you can also check out its marketing with YouTuber partnership and with callers and Moontook and Bitok as well. So defense trend BSC Moontook trend partnership with call groups and attractors, many more are upcoming in their roadmap and upcoming days as well. Here we can also check out the token mix that 35.7% on Pink Sale, 33.3% reserved for the decentralized broker and crypto on Pix, and 16% burn and 10% marketing and 5% reserved for the team. So here is the tax, only 3% on buy and 3% for sell as well. Now you can also check out the broker crypto on Pix, and you can also learn the distribution of this token here as well. Now I also recommend to all of you must be download download its white paper to get more information and detail related to this amazing project. And if you lost a Nero, lost Dogecoin, then Boxer Coin has a strong team ready to be a success with a completely innovative idea in the world of memes as well. So it will be go to the moon very soon. So don't miss this global chance and must be buy this token right now. Here you can also check out more detail about this project and must be join their social media to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project. So must be follow them on their X account and you will be able to get our latest news and updates related to this amazing project. And as well as I also recommended to all of you must be join its Telegram community to get latest news and updates and must be follow them on their TikTok account and you can also check out their amazing and fantastic video related to this amazing project. As well as very soon you will be able to check out the DEX view with WBNB on DEX view as well. So dear fans, this is a great opportunity to all of you, so don't miss this golden chance and must be participate in upcoming Boxer Coin pre-sale, and it can really help you make a lot of passive income. I hope so you like this video and share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.